to Fashion Saree. In today's video, we'll be seeing about how to style your wedding hairstyle. So let's go. So friends, you can try going on with plaits, braids too. You can try going on with unique hair jewelry like floral hair jewelry, and you can even try going on with unique and amazing flowers that will also give it a pretty look. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to Fashion Saree so you could purchase similar types of these amazing and beautiful hair jewelry which you've seen in this video. You could buy these on Amazon and they're absolutely pretty.